Good morning, fifth graders. Happy Thursday. I hope you're having a good week so far. Mine has been super busy with lots of things going on for work, with my husband's job, with my kids. It just has felt really busy, but in a good way. I feel like we're kind of hitting our stride with distance learning. My family is kind of settling into a routine of what it's like to have the kids at home and both the parents be working. So like I said, we're settling into a good routine, but it's been a little busy this week. So I hope things are going well for you. And I'm excited to continue looking at some of the learning you've been doing this week because it's been awesome. The responses to some of our morning meeting questions, your math worksheets and examples of learning that you're sharing with us on Seesaw, and then also you're sharing the Planet summative assessments. I'm really excited to look over those. I was also really impressed with everyone yesterday listening for the sharing questions. So well done. I thought I could trick some of you, but I guess I couldn't. So you guys are all being active listeners and good readers of the morning message, which is awesome. So again, read through this, listen to the video, respond to the morning meeting message, the sharing question. Open the daily slides, take a look at what you have going on today, kind of plan out your day, schedule in some time for rest and relaxation, and visit the specialist page as well. So today is Thursday, April 9th, 2020. Good morning, fifth graders. Happy Thursday. I was really excited to hear about all the things you have been up to during social distancing. Sounds like a lot of you have good routines in place. I'm also looking forward to reading all of your Sharing the Planet projects. They look awesome so far. Today, you will complete the Personal Math Trainer for Lesson 8.5. You will finish reading Chapter 5 of Kensuke's Kingdom, find some time to read to self, and you'll fill out a reflection form for our inquiry unit. Keep in mind that if you're looking for additional things to do, you can check out the Creative Learning Activities slideshow that's either on Seesaw or Google Classroom. Sincerely, Mrs. Ryan. So just again, if you didn't have a chance to turn in your Sharing the Planet summative project, please make sure you get that done today or tomorrow. That would be preferred to have it done by tomorrow so I can take a look at those. Also, if you did finish it, but you didn't turn it in, make sure you go back to the Google Classroom assignment or your Google Slideshow and press that Turn It In button. I've seen so far 6 have come in that have been turned in. Another 6 or so were shared with me. So I think about 12, a little less than half the class has turned it in so far. But it would be really helpful if everyone turns it in on the classroom because then I can have them all in one spot and it's really easy for me to find yours. And I just would really not like to miss yours somewhere that I can't find it. So if you shared it with me, that's great. But if you could also go back and turn it in. If you emailed it to me, great. But also try to go back and turn it in to the Google Classroom. And if you haven't finished it, please work on getting that done so that you're not too far behind. And next week, I'm really looking forward to moving on to our next unit. So stay tuned for that. I hope you have a great Thursday and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.